Welcome back, everyone, to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through for Cthulhu, Death May Die, Fear of the Unknown. We're painting up the Serpent Man, Mike and Ruth, preparing for the Season 3, Episode 5 gameplay of Festival of Death from Season 3. So we're going to be jumping into the paint through for these. Just going to take a look at the minis. I'll get them zenithal primed. See Ruth there. You see Mike Kozloff here. And the Snake Men as well. We'll get these sprayed up and then start painting. Thanks for watching. After our initial prime, we're going to get these get their first coat on. But first, a quick word from this channel's sponsor. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got the 6 volumes of August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo's Cthulhu journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, including the Hermeticism of Hastur, Genealogy of Cthulhu, Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, and also featuring our hardcover edition of the Cthulhu journals. We've also got the 3 volumes of August Moldenhauer's Artificial Psychoanalysis Desiring Machines, also available in our hardcover edition. We've also got our podcast series featuring the Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, and also Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, a deep dive into what makes Frank Herbert's Dune Saga resonate with us. We've got a special sponsor this month, Nereus Media, featuring Benson Magos' Flowing the Tears of the Flesh Android and the Trump trilogy ending in The God Emperor Trump. Finally, we've got our newest offering, The Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands, taking place in Lovecraft's Dreamlands. Each volume takes place in a different Lovecraft city. Aimless in the Dream City of Cellophase, Hope's Home in Iron-Domed Dalathleen, Stubborn Devotions in Thrawn with the Temple of Hypnos. So check out our video, check out our Patreon. Now back to our paint through. I'm just going to hit these with a quick wash and then a clear coat, and then I will let them dry, and we'll see you in the hero shots. See you on the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified when we do the gameplay, and we'll see you on the tabletop. Bye-bye.